Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Tell me that does not scream spring to you. Spring break is right around the corner, so we're going to dig into the new Daisy Marquez x BH Cosmetics palette in this video, and this is the look I came up with. If you guys want to see my thoughts on the palette and how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I know it's been a hot minute, but I'm back. I also look like a hot mess, so please ignore that. I worked this morning and I work in a few hours again at my second job, so I don't really have time to like fix my makeup up, you know, so we're just working with this. So I already have my base done. So it comes with this cute little card stock, I think that's what you call it. So that's just a cute little note that came in the package, and so this is like the cardboard packaging. Is that even what you call it? Like, I don't even know, but it just has like the picture of the palette on the outside of the shadows, and it's a 20 color eyeshadow palette. And so when you open it, okay guys, I already opened this just because I couldn't wait, so I just wanted to look at it, you know, and I showed my sister because she was with me when I got the package. But this is what it looks like. It's actually so cute. Like, it looks much cuter in person than when I saw it like on Instagram, you know? So it's just like a Tiffany little like present box, a little gift box. Tiffany blue, that's her favorite color. And it just says Daisy Marquez. So when you open it, the lid is like magnetic. So it like click. Oh shit, I thought it was gonna stay. Wait. Okay, it does stay, but like it comes off too. Whatever. But yeah, it comes off, it's magnetic, and then you turn it and it's like a little vanity, so I thought that was cute. I don't know, like, I don't know. Like, while filming, this might be a little annoying. Well, for me, just because I don't have, like, an actual desk, you know, so I can't, like, put this down. I'm just sitting right here on the corner of my bed. So I would probably actually use, like, a different palette, like, hold a different palette. But I'll try and use this just because it's kind of like, oh, shit, okay. I don't know. Like, if I tilt it a little bit, it'll fall, but anyways, this is what the inside. Okay, I'll take the mirror off so you guys don't get blinded. But this is what the palette looks like. So I swatched a couple, but then I stopped myself because I was like, let me just share this moment with you guys. So the two top rows are all matte shades, and then the two bottom rows are all shimmer shades. And I think it's really pretty. You have your like shades that are like necessities like on the top, and then you have these really pretty like pastels and pops of colors, and then these two bright like these two bright like matte shades, and then in this color it's really pretty. I feel like I've never seen that in a palette before, so I'm really excited to test this out. Maybe I'll just swatch a couple so you guys can see. Okay, so that is Dream, and that's really pretty, and like I'm not surprised though because that's like her favorite color, so I'm assuming that one would be really good. I want to test this icy white shade right here. Okay, the yellow is actually really nice. Like, I didn't have to go over it too many times. Usually you do with like colors like that in matte shades. The shimmers are nice. I mean, the icy white one wasn't like crazy pigmented, but they feel buttery, so I don't know. Let's just dive right into the palette. Okay, so I just primed my eyes using the P. Louise base, and now I'm going to just jump right into the palette. Before my eyes start to crease a lot, I'm trying to keep them like this so they don't crease, but I think I'm going to take Dulce right here and start placing that into the crease of my eye. Okay, now I think I'm going to use a bit of Naked just to blend out the edges so it's not too harsh. I'm going to take some, no actually, I'm going to take Vintage and start deepening the crease up a little bit more. Oh yeah, that's pigmented. I barely even took any on my brush. Okay, I think I'm gonna add some of Flower onto like the top part of my eye just to kind of like brighten it up a bit and blend it into the look. I just want everything to be a little bit warmer, if that makes sense. Now I'm gonna take Bittersweet right here. It's kind of like a burgundy, like purpley shade, and I'm gonna start putting that in the outer V of the eye. But so far these are blending out really nicely. They're not like crazy pigmented, but they are pigmented and they're pretty easy to work with. I haven't really had problems with blending them. Okay, I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna start applying Lust to the lid, and I'm just gonna use it dry first just to see how it applies dry, and then I'll, oh shit. I was gonna say, and then I'll see if I need any Fix Plus, but I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's applying really nicely for a shimmer shade. Okay, I'm gonna take a tiny bit of black just to see how that black shade is. And deepen up this part of the eye. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of Fix Plus, but honestly I don't think it's that necessary. I just want to see if it makes it a little bit more intense, you know? Okay, it definitely made the shimmer shade like a lot more metallic, which is what usually happens when you wet it. So yeah, it does look better when you wet your brush, but it still looked really good without wetting it as well. So I'm just gonna make sure these edges are nice and blended into each other, you know? And now I'm just going to take some of Icy on the inner corner. Oh, I already have something on my inner corner. Okay, well I'm just going to go over that and see how it looks. Yeah, it's not like crazy pigmented, the white shade, but let me see if it looks more intense if I wet my brush. Okay, yeah, if you're gonna use the white shade, I would recommend wetting your brush first because it's really not that pigmented. I mean, it's not bad, it just like didn't really show up that much. Maybe it's because I'm like really fair, I don't know. Okay, so that is the first eye. I'm gonna do this eye off camera, and I think I'm gonna apply lashes as well, so I'm gonna do that. Okay guys, so this is the completed look with falsies and both eyes done. I really like how it turned out. So for the lower lash line, I used these 3 shades, kind of like replicating like what I did in the crease, so like lightest to darkest. So the yellow, then this shade, and then this shade, like this one closest to my lash line right here. So that's what I did for my lower lash line, and then that's really it. The only thing is the white shade, like I said, wasn't like, I don't know, I really liked this shimmer shade right here, and when I swatched these other shades, they were really pigmented too, but like the white one wasn't like crazy pigmented, you know, so maybe it could be like, I don't know if it's like an inconsistency in the shimmer shades or if it was just like because I'm really pale or fair, because I'm really fair. I don't know if that's why it like doesn't really show up that much on me. That could be the reason. I'm just gonna swatch. Okay, yeah, that looks really okay. The shimmer shades look really, the rest of the shimmer shades look really nice. So it probably is just because like I'm like white. It's like trying to make white stand out on white, you know? It doesn't work, so I think that's why that one, but like it looks really pretty if I use like Fix Plus. I really like it actually. So if you're really fair like me, I would just use Fix Plus if you're trying to like highlight with that. But for the most part, the rest of the shades all were really nice. They blended out really nicely. Like looking in the mirror, my eyes are like pretty dry, but they still blended out really nice. And I don't know, I don't have anything bad to say, but like, I don't know, like the shades didn't blow my mind. Like they weren't crazy pigmented, but they worked well. Like this like blue silver and this like lime green like lavender shade, you know? I just feel like there's a lot of unique shimmers in here, but I would say like the packaging definitely is something I don't have, and for the price, like I think this palette is definitely worth it. It's so cute, and I really enjoyed the shimmer shade that I used on my lid, and these swatches are really pretty, so I'm definitely gonna do like maybe some spring looks because I'm feeling really like spring vibes. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you guys thought down below. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and join my little family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!